Hello chefs, welcome back to Closkitchen, and for the new subscribers, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I made these delicious Doritos chicken fingers. So let's see what ingredients we will need for this recipe. For this recipe, I have 1 pack of glazed Doritos as well as 1 pack of jalapeno Doritos. I have 1 pack of chicken tenderloins that I have soaked in a vinegar and water solution and rinsed under cool running water. I have some garlic powder as well as some onion powder. I'm starting off by blending my glazed Doritos a little bit at a time. I'm blending my Doritos until it turns into a fine-grained texture. This texture is perfect to coat my chicken. So I'm moving on to my poppin' jalapeno Doritos. I'm going to repeat the same steps as the glazed Doritos. This texture is perfect as well. Now that my coatings are ready, I'm moving on to my chicken. I'm starting off with some chicken seasoning, some seasoning salt, some parsley, some paprika, some dried thyme, some onion powder, as well as some garlic powder. I'm using my clean hand to evenly spread the seasoning and spices onto my chicken. I'm setting my chicken aside for about 10 minutes so that it can infuse all the flavors. Whilst my chicken is marinated, I'm beating 2 large eggs. For this next step, I'm placing my Doritos coatings into 2 separate large ziplock bags. For my next step, I'm placing my pieces of marinated chicken into a separate Ziploc bag. Then I'm pouring my beaten eggs onto my chicken. I am tightly sealing my bag and I'm coating my chicken with my eggs. Now that I have prepped all my ingredients, I am preheating some vegetable oil in a large frying pan on medium heat. Whilst I'm preheating my oil, the first thing I'm going to do is coat my pieces of chicken with my Doritos. I'm placing a few pieces of chicken in the bag with the glazed Doritos. I'm making sure that each piece of chicken is entirely coated with my Doritos before placing them into a plate. I'm repeating the same steps with the popping jalapeno Doritos. I am finally ready to cook my chicken fingers. I am gently placing them into the preheated oil one at a time. I'm cooking them until they are slightly brown while occasionally flipping them. Once they are done, I'm placing them in a plate lined with some paper towel to remove the excess oil. So guys, my Doritos chicken fingers turned out amazing as well as very tasty. The flavors and textures were on point. The Doritos coating added a nice and crispy touch to my chicken fingers. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And as always, keep cooking, chefs. Bye.